Take off your shirt
I will now request you
to press that
take a
button.
remote challenge.
Music. Yeah, press that.
So I will request you to unveil the magazine.
With the magazine, without.
Yeah, with the maximum.
Okay.
I always wanted to be on a fitness magazine, and I'm so happy that I started off from here with Nari sir. I actually did my first cover with Society, and
He's in Society, he's in Stardust, he's in Health.
Health.
I told him he's got to be in Savvy, he's got to wear a dress.
I need a sari for that.
Could you tell us a little about your exercise?
Is Andrea here?
Exercise. I train thrice a day. I do my cardio in the morning. I do my weight training in the afternoon, and I do my martial arts in the evening.
When do you act?
Yeah,
What?
how do you
Sorry.
You're doing training morning, afternoon.
When I was shooting, I stopped training. I was just trying to get a good diet because I can't do both together. Whenever we had a day off, I would train, for 2-3 hours more. But while shooting, it's very difficult for you to train. But I had my what do you call them? Resistant tubes. So I was trained with that in the van or something.
So you work out 7 days a week?
I work out 6 days a week. Sunday is my cheat day. I eat everything: my pancakes, my waffles, and cupcakes, and all of that.
How does it feel to be launched by Salman Khan?
It feels amazing, I couldn't have asked for something better, and working with him is amazing because he doesn't leave any stone unturned for you, and he makes your dreams come true.
And who would you say is your inspiration in acting?
In acting,
Yeah.
I really like Hrithik sir. I got inspired by Kahona Pyar Hai, and at that point, all the new comers wanted to be like Hrithik sir. Everyone, after watching Kahona Pyar Hai, wanted to have a body like him, wanted to dance like him. So it's him.
So do you know various styles of dance?
No, I'm learning now.
You're
Slowly.
learning, okay.
Slowly.
Thank you so much. And now the house is open for questions. Yeah, sure.
Hi Suresh, what kind of response and feedback you've been getting, especially after leaving?
It's been a good response for me. I don't know actually what to think from it because I'm still learning. I don't know what to take from people if they say good. I don't know what to take from people when they say bad. I'm trying to work as hard as I can, and I just want to offer more and more from my side.
Anything specific, that your parents spoke was Salman? Did he say something after seeing your performance?
Nothing. They just my parents said that they're really proud, so I couldn't be happier, and that's one reason why I'm working for. I want to make them more happier and happier. That's the only thing I can give them back in return. Nothing really. I just want to work hard for myself and for my family.
In the course of making the film, did you ever work out with Salman, considering he's also into fitness?
I trained with him when I was assistant director in Ekta Tigers. I trained with him for about 1 week, and then I said I'm never training with him again because he's been training for so many years, so he's way more advanced than me, and he can shoot for 12 hours and then still train till 3 in the morning. He can do that. That's what I want to learn from him, and that's what I will eventually learn as I go forward.
Yes.
How are you dealing with the female fan base that you have?
I don't know. No.
One track mind.
I can't.
The only compliments I'm getting are from all the boys. Like, where do you get the body from? How do you train?
You still have that body. If yes, can.
This
I didn't complain. They didn't.
this body? No, I'm a bit better than this now.
Someone wants a live with me somewhere there.
Being Salman Khan's protege.
No, I'm still training. I don't know what film I'm going to get next. If it's a romantic film, then I wouldn't have to have a body like this. If it's an action film, then I'll have to be better than this. Yeah.
So, according to you, who are the fittest actors in Bollywood?
I think Salman sir, Tiger Shroff. Big fan of Farhan Akhtar after I saw Bhag Milka Bhag. Yeah.
Anyone else?
Have you been approached for Heer Ranjha and the film by Remo D'Souza?
I've met Remo sir.
Okay.
I have met him, but I'm just waiting for him to get free. He's really busy with the film he's making.
Okay, and the other film?
Which one?
Heer Ranjha, West Ranjha, Maryagara. Is that happening? Have you been approached?
Heer Ranjha.
Nothing confirmed. Nothing confirmed. Nothing yet. No. Yeah. Anything else? इस बार कम questions है यार.
Are you looking forward to all the W awards this year?
I am. Of course I am. Yeah.
And the last question now.
Yes. Hi.
You've been a star kid, has been launched by Salman Khan. Do you think this will easier for you in Bollywood? Or will it still be
It's tougher actually, because when people say star kid, they don't compare us newcomers with our father's first film. They will compare us with their last film, and they would expect us to be as good as my father was in his latest film. So it's really tough, and when Salman sir is backing you, there's so many more expectations. It's tough. It's tough both ways, but I would say it's tougher when you have such a big platform.
Surya, what are the challenges of being a star kid?
Criticism is there, and then expectations are there. That's it.
How do you deal with this?
I've got it so much in my life now; it doesn't affect me. Really honest, yeah.
So now we would like to wrap up. Thank you
Yeah.
so much, Suraj, for
Thank you.
coming here and this is okay.
Thank you.